story again now. Now what happened? The previous video what I said. Though he had more gold, he was not at all satisfied. He wants more and more. So one day, sitting in the dark room, watching over his gold, he saw a stranger appearing out of the shadow. What do you mean by stranger? Stranger is a unknown person. Unknown person, he is not at all known. He is very, very new. Okay, he is called as a stranger. So he was sitting in the dark room. Suddenly that stranger was appeared out of the shadows. You can see the picture also here. Okay, he is Midas, is having so much of gold, and the stranger appeared here. Okay, Midas, you must be a happy man. You have a lot of gold. So he said, mostly you would have been a happy man because you are having so much of gold. Midas did not stop to think who the stranger was. So in case if any stranger come to your house, you just thinking, oh, who's that person is? Unknown person I am telling, stranger means. Who's this person? Who somebody new person has come to our house. You will be thinking and watching at them, isn't it? But in this story, the Midas was not at all thinking who the stranger, who is, why did he come, nothing. So when the stranger asked, are you happy? What did the Midas say? No, I am not happy. I do not have enough gold, because he was very greedy. He wants more and more gold. I want more. He wanted still more. How much gold do you need to be happy? So the stranger asked, okay, how much you want? Now you are not satisfied with this. How much you want? I wish that everything I touch would turn into gold. So what did this Midas say? I am not at all happy. Now whatever I touch, it should turn to gold. Okay. Are you sure you want your wish to come true? So again this stranger asked, are you sure? Before blessing him, he wanted to ask Midas, just think over. Are you sure you want your wish to come true? So Midas said, yes, I would be very happy if I had the golden touch. So Midas said, I am very, very happy. I will be very happy if I had the golden touch. Golden touch means whatever things if you touch, it has to turn to gold. The stranger granted him the golden touch and disappeared. Granted means, okay, he said, okay, I will fulfill your wish. Ninge yen beko hange agli. That is the meaning, okay. Granted him the golden touch. Whatever you touch, it will become gold. And he disappeared. Disappeared means what? He left that place. He was not at all appeared again. That is called as disappearance. So be it. It will happen the same thing. Whatever you touch, it will turn to gold. The next morning, when the sunbeams entered Midas' room, he woke up. So, next morning, what happens? Early morning, whenever you get up, you can see the sun rays falling on you. That is called as sunbeams. Now, after this, I will be giving the words. As I give the words, you have to underline in the pencil and you have to read the textbooks also. I will read and show you how to read it. He woke up. Woke up means he got up because it was early morning, isn't it? So he got up. Till here I will do the lessons. Okay. Now again I will read the lesson. Please see each line. Keep your pencils. Whichever word I say you have to underline and maintain a homework book. I think you have already purchased books. In that you have to write those words five times. How many times? 5 times. The name of the lesson is The Golden Touch. Once again when the school reopens, I want each and every child to read the textbooks also. Once upon a time, there was a king called Midas. He was rich, very rich, and he was fond of collecting gold. Though he loved gold a lot, there was one thing in the world he loved more. It was his lovely little daughter. King Midas kept all his gold in a dark room in his palace. He go down to this dark room and spend hours just looking at all the gold he collected. He never knew the value of his collection because he never counted the number of ingots he had. He loved to sit down and just look at all his gold. He should have been a happy man, but he was not. He always wanted more. I want more. One day, sitting in the dark room, watching over his gold, he saw a stranger appearing out of the shadows. Midas, you must be a happy man. You have a lot of gold. Midas did not stop to think who the stranger was. No, I am not happy. I do not have enough gold. I want more. How much gold you need to be happy? I wish that everything I touch would turn into gold. Are you sure you want your wish to come true? Yes, I would be very happy if I had the golden touch. The stranger granted him the golden touch and disappeared. So be it. The next morning when the sunbeams entered Midas' room, he woke up. So till page number 3, I have done the lesson. Okay, you have to take your pencils and mark the difficult words, and then you have to write the same thing in the homework books. Okay.